Hello, welcome back. I restarted my PC. Shit happens, what can I do? Especially when I'm working on the project this intense. All because of removing the fucking binary folders. Binary folder. General Visual Studio project files. Okay. Thank God it could go worse. I don't know what happened to my PC. The fact it's you know, there is an application that I hate to see, and that is simple web server. I think that's messing with my PC. Simple. I don't want it. Yeah, get the fuck out of my eyes. What other malware do I have? Pure Ref. What is Pure? What's this app? I have Prism. Oh yeah, I know what this is. Bro, this is a very good app, by the way. What else I have? Prism. Everything seems okay. Okay. Plugins, blah 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 blah. Generate Visual Studio project files. Man, oh man. Do we have binary folders for those? No. Why? Generate Visual Studio project files. Intermediate is here. Binaries isn't here. That's weird. And for the plugin, same thing. I'm gonna open Visual Studio and I'm gonna try to build. Yay! I hope. I have the plugins here. This is good. Let me open one of these. Control Shift B. I'm gonna compile it from code. Yes. Please, no errors. Just do it. Don't give me a headache. By the way, I played Silica again. Bro, it's fucking amazing. That game is addicting. I mean, the guy is using a bunch of like ready-made plugins and stuff, but there aren't many bugs. The game is very functional and it looks absolutely gorgeous. The music is on point. I love that game. Silica, definitely check it out. And then I saw I'm getting addicted to it. I removed it, and then after 2 days I installed it again. I said, nah, that was a good game actually. Whenever I'm free I would like to play that one. Why did I remove it? I removed League of Legends. I think I reinstalled League of Legends again, but I'm not playing anymore. I quit. I play only maybe once a week. Alright. Now, Unreal should be able to detect the advanced hover vehicle system plugin. Please. At least please. No way, no fucking way. Maybe I have to enable it. Advanced. Yes, yes. Or maybe no, this is different. I'm going crazy. I'm gonna enable it anyways, and I'm gonna see what happens. I have the plugins folder. Yes. I'm an idiot. Is this okay? So the way to find out if this is the one that we just edited is to check the tick function for the. It's that's it. There we go, boys. There we go. I'm gonna see if we have the same issue, same performance issue. Okay, just guys, just a second. My dad is calling. Hello, Dad. How are you doing? Okay, I'm back. That was my dad. I had to answer that. Family. I'm far away from them, so sometimes I have to answer them, see what they're talking about. Let's see if we have frame drop anymore. Please. Okay, the first thing I'm noticing is the camera is not working. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna alt tab out, click on this, click on my guy, on my vehicle, go to details, and check one of the tick function. Tick interval is okay. Alright, so I believe we have to make the camera movement system better. What's going on? We still have the frame drop, right? Play. It's 10:11. Holy shit! Oh, it's 19:20. It's 19:20:10. It's really bad. Holy shit. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make the camera not frame rate independent. So, was it look enhanced? Yes. I have something called multiply by get delta seconds, right? Well, I don't want this anymore. So anywhere that I see this, I'm sorry. We can remove it from there, remove it from here, remove it from here, remove it from this one. Okay. Control Shift B. I hope it works this time. Let me reopen it. Why should I have this much of frame drop? Do you think it's because of the collision? I have no fucking idea. I didn't have the same problem in the GTA clone that I made. Okay. Bro. It's working now, except the camera is too fast. I'm gonna fix that as well. So I'm gonna show FPS. Where's my camera speed? So I believe it should be in the properties section. Yeah, it's here. Camera. Rotation speed, I want it to be maybe 30. Okay, let me see. It's much better, but I have frame drop still. Oh my god, FPS is 13, 20. Oh shit. Camera is still too fast. 10. Why is it so fast? I don't get it. So if I don't move, it's okay. The moment I move the camera, the frame drops significantly. Whenever I move the vehicle, I feel like the frame doesn't drop. What if I just fly away? God damn it! The moment I fly away, everything is fine. But when I'm on the ground, things look nasty here. Come on. What is the issue? If I don't... Oh my god, I think the problem is the graphics then? Yeah, probably looking at the outpost. We're gonna enable nanite for everything we see on the screen. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna click on one of these. The name is... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna search for static mesh only. Static mesh actors. Wait a second, I have to go inside for each and every one of them. Yes, we're gonna try enabling nanite. So the way I can do that is to go to my spaceship interior. No, sci-fi, cyber, something, modular sci-fi. It's this one. Overview scene. Yeah. And you guess what? Here everything seems fine. There is a problem. World settings. I'm gonna set the game mod for this one to advance our vehicle system as well. And play. What the fuck? The performance is absolutely good when we are here in this scene. But it wasn't good in the other scene? How and why? Um, we'll see. We'll see. I am going to click a bunch of these on a bunch of these. Maybe I'm gonna do it in the actual level. Save. I'm gonna show nanite. What is this lumen? Lumen is fine. I don't want to see nanite anymore. How can I get rid of it? Oh yeah, I am looking at nanites triangles. None of them is using nanites just yet. Okay. So what we do is to go back to lit and try to make nanite enable for everything. Nanite enable. This one. Nanite enable. Holy shit. Something was happening, but yeah. Enable nanite. Nanite. So this is what I believe. I think this model was not optimized, but still. Still we are doing it. With nanite, we might not face the same problem anymore. Group unlock. Yes, some meshes are heavy. I'm trying to enable nanite on anything that I see. Nanite enabled for this one. These ones are important. These ones. I feel like these ones are the most demanding parts of the project. Enable it for that. Yeah. The content pack that I'm using is absolutely not optimized. Make sure everything has nanite on. This one. Restore this little piece. Already has nanite on. This guy has nanite on. Okay. This glass piece should have nanite. This guy nanite. This we have to unlock it first. Already applied. What else? Did I do it for this one? Yes. How about this guy? Unlocking. Yes, they have nanite. Yep, this guy. Yeah, it's working. You. Nanite is on you. Nanite is on you. Nanite is on. Nanite for this. I'm gonna keep repeat saying. Keep saying nanite, nanite for everything I do. It's crazy. Pieces that we have to enable nanite for. This one. This one. Yes. Okay. Cool. So for okay, what else doesn't have nanite on? Cables. Cables don't need to have nanite. What else can I see on the scene? Right here. First glance. These guys. Already applied. Is this the same? Yes. This. Yes. Nanite. There should be more stairways. This guy. This. Give it some nanite. Some pillars. By the way, there was something that we wanted to use. I'll tell you which one. Like a catwalk. We have to bring in a catwalk as well. I'll tell you where I used the catwalks. Okay, we go down. These guys need nanite as well. Oh, I enabled already. Good. How are you? This was the same as the other. This is a repeated one, but this one is not repeated. Definitely needs nanite. This guy needs. Okay. Nanite needed to be able on it. This door. It's time consuming, but trust me. Trust me. The outcome is gonna be good. I'm saying this for every single thing that I do, but I know what I'm saying. When I say trust me, I mean it. The scene seems to be too dark, but it's fine. I'm gonna fix that as well. This guy needs nanite. Oh, this big guy needs nanite. All right. Is there anything else? There is nothing else that I can see, at least. What if I ungroup you? Unlock you. Alright, let's save this. I'm gonna check the nanite triangles. Wait, what? I just enabled nanite on everything. How? So you're saying they don't support nanite? This is very bad. Yeah. So basically, I would say that the project isn't the asset that we're using isn't optimized. That's why I get frame drops over here. It's much better than before, you know, but still we have frame drops unless we go in space and then the frame drop goes away. You see what I'm saying? So maybe those have okay, it has LOD to it probably. Okay. Basically, I have to create a new outpost. I think I should. I'm gonna fall down. Yeah, I think I should. Anyways, nanites didn't work on any of these since this plugin is not supporting nanite, so we have to create a new outpost. It's fine. I spent days, not hours, days to create this scene. Oh my fucking god. Why? Maybe I have to restart the project. Maybe that works. I just want to try. It's worth a try. Absolutely worth it. Yes. Now I'm gonna check that, I think. Fuck. Now it is working quite well. Okay. We will get rid of this pack that we have. let's work on something else, okay? Let's continue working on our project. It's fine. I'm gonna bring the delta seconds back then, because they didn't cause an issue. The issue was something else. And we're gonna try getting into a vehicle. I need to make the functionality work. Let's drop one here. I would like it to be here like this. Okay. Okay. Bringing the game mod back to third person. The alley game mod. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna detect if I'm close to a vehicle. And if I was, I should be able to get into it. Yeah, let's do it in the player. The way I can do it is by adding a sphere here. Sphere. Actually, you know what? There's a better way of doing it. There's a much easier way of doing it. I have hover component, mouse hover component, right? I'm gonna say whenever we press F. Right now I have them as testing buttons, so we have F, R, E in use already. I want this one to be V key. Until we pass the prototype phase. Where is the... It's here. Hovered actor. I need... Hovered... Get hovered actor. I want to say is valid. If it is, next I'm going to say cast to BP Advanced Hover Vehicle System. If that is true, we're gonna possess it. Possess. How can I possess this? I should get the controller first, right? Get controller. Possess the hover vehicle. Why? The pawn to be possessed. Oh. Oh. It's the casted version. Okay. And then after that, I have to say, what happened to the music, guys? After that, I'm gonna say Mm, get controller again. Enhanced input user. No. And so I shouldn't get controller, huh? Input. Ba-ba-ba-ba. That's not it. How can I say it? Get input. It's a component. Input connection. Player controller from input device. Add mapping context. And I have to do a remove mapping context. Nope. Remove mapping context. That's the two things that I should do. I remember I was doing something. We did it in one of the other projects, right? So I'm gonna open that one and see what I did. Get player controller enhanced local player system. Enhanced look. It didn't work. So get controller is different than get player controller. I'm gonna say get player controller. Maybe I don't need to do it. I just want to keep it just in case. So I'm gonna add the advanced hover vehicle input, and I'm gonna remove this one. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I should definitely change the plugin that I'm using. So we need a new scene sooner or later. Where are you going? She was coming right towards me. Okay. So I'm gonna look at the vehicle and press V. It's not working. It's jittering because of the 15. So the tick is on 15 tick interval for that vehicle. And whenever I'm pressing V, nothing is happening. Let's see why. So hover actor, cast to BP hover vehicle. I'm gonna print something here. I am also going to check out what's on the cursor. The hover actor. Should be fine. Let's play from here. Nothing is happening. Yeah, you know what? There is one more thing I need to do. Why there is an error in this one? What's wrong with it? Oh, it's not an error. Okay. So what I need to have here is for its collision, for the mesh collision, I think I need to have visibility on. So it's block all dynamic. It's already blocking everything. Generate overlap events. So this is okay. What about here? We're tracing the visibility. I remember. No, I don't remember anything. Collisions are okay, but then why? The moment I press V, what if you? If this is valid, you don't need to go to the next one. If it's valid, just say something. Just say hello. It's working, but it is saying hello. Then I cast it to BP hover vehicle, right? I'm gonna say hello here. Okay. Let's play again. Oh, I'm under the ground somehow. I have to click here. It's not casting it. The cast is being failed. BP advanced hover vehicle. Ooh. Get name. Let's print the name and see what's happening exactly. I want to make sure if I'm clicking on the right actor. On the cube, I'm clicking on those. Can I click on can I V on people? I cannot do it for this vehicle. Yeah, definitely the reason is something in the collision. So I'm gonna check the collision for one of these and compare it with the collision on my vehicle. It says collision preset is default. I'm gonna set it to custom and I'm gonna see how it looks. Everything is blocked and it's world static. On my vehicle, it's block all dynamic. What if I set it to custom and make it a vehicle? What do you think will happen? Let's play from here. It's still not working. I'm gonna bring it back to what it was. Maybe I need generate heat events. Do I need this? Really? I'll see. No, still not. Let's check what's on the cursor again. We are tracing channel visibility. Then why? Visibility is blocked. I get the hover reductor. It's basically like it doesn't exist in the scene. I wanna search for player collision. There is totally collision for this vehicle in this scene. Totally. I'll click on it. It's possible to click on it. No fucking way that it's giving me this kind of error. It's also on query and physics. Maybe the problem is with this cast thingy. No, actually, there was no problem there. Shit. Leaving module. Can I just push it off? Now I want to jump on top of it. It fell down. What's the issue? Can I check for visibility? Visibility collision. Damn, there is visibility collision. Fuck. So it should work. In theory. In theory, it should work. I do a line trace for visibility. What if I trace complex? What if... Let's try this. Select the cube. I cannot select this vehicle again. God damn it. Even complex didn't help. The collision seems absolutely fine. But there is yet a problem. What if I make it custom? Change the type to, let's say pawn. query and all, visibility, block, simulate generate heat events. I'm trying every single piece here. If the problem with the is with the vehicle, we will know now. Hey Ben. That's quite the conundrum. Still we have the same problem. It kinda is. Fixing the issue is the like it's the game in prototype phase. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make the collision work in this. I need to be able to select this vehicle whenever the mouse cursor is on it, but for some reason it's not detecting. Here I'm gonna say print get name. It is. What the fuck? How? How it's not detecting that big of a vehicle and I can collide with it? Maybe something is happening in the code. So let's go ahead and see that as well. This is back in normal. I don't need you to. Going to event graph, checking this code again. Alright. C++ it is. We're gonna check it here. I'm gonna set a collision. Okay, I'm setting the collision visibility to ignore, although I'm gonna set it to overlap. Let's say overlap. Can be block as well, but overlap would do. Or I just say block. Yeah, block would be better. Yeah, I'll just set it to block. So this was happening in the C++. That's why. I think I found the problem. Watch the magic. I don't even need this anymore. I just continue doing it. I should be able to get in the vehicle easily. And then I have to worry about creating a new outpost, a new model. Because this is performance heavy. I can't even turn nanite on. If I press V, we should get in the car. Oh, by the way, I forgot. I have to close and reopen the project because we changed something in C++ and it's a plugin. No, it's this one. You know what? I remember something. We have a cable to attach as well. That would be fun to get attached to the vehicle. It would be absolutely fun to see that happening. Where is it? What happened? Okay. Now I'm gonna play from here. get in the car. Watch this. Fucking magic, yeah. Okay, there are two things I can't move, so we're gonna fix that in a second. So yeah, I don't need this. Add the advanced hover vehicle, and then we remove the player controls. I got in the car. I think I did at least. It's so laggy. Yeah, it's working 100%. Oh my god, whenever I look back at the model, it goes laggy. Okay, we're in the sky, we're in this space, let's say. Oh, I just hit my car to something. Can I go underneath? Of course I can. I just want to know. Hey, you see what I'm saying? The moment I get close to this outpost, everything goes glitchy. We get lag, we get delay, we get whatever the fuck there is. Good. I'm gonna come up with a new model. Alright, next thing is to attach the cable to this vehicle. And coming up with another system, I'll tell you what. This is not gonna be that hard. I just need to go to my vehicle. I need to add a sphere component. Sphere, like a collision sphere, but the thing is this collision is gonna be removed. I don't want any collision for this. Okay. I'm gonna set it maybe right here, because this is where you get off the car, right? Where you get off the vehicle. This is okay. Yeah. Just to make it better, it's minus 145, and then this is like 80, maybe 90. That's great. What else I want to do? The name is get off location, or like drop location. It's better. And then the moment this happens, by the way, we should hide the player Let's say I'm not gonna destroy self. I'm gonna hide. Set actor hidden in game true, and then before that I'm gonna say set collision enabled, not for the cable but for the capsule. No collision. What's the collision in it already? Collision preset is pawn. Collision enabled query and physics pawn. Set collision preset. There's a collision profile name which does the same. But do we have something like no collision? Yes. No collision. Okay. Actually, just to test the theory, I'm gonna do it here. For now. We set the collision enabled to no collision. Just to see what happens. We're gonna go through the floor. Nothing is happening. Why? Collision preset. You know what? I just set the collision to none. We try this. Okay, it kind of works. And then set actor hidden in game true. I'm gonna get in the middle of them. They still try to go around me. It's fine though. It's fine though. Feel. What was the name? Feel collision, get nav mesh, something like that. Set there was something to it. Probably in the capsule. Feel collision underneath for nav mesh. Did I do it here? Oh, I did it for my character. I have to do it for the capsule. Yes. Feel nav. Sorry. It's not possible to do this. Feel collision underneath for nav mesh. Can I search for navigation? Feel collision. We don't have such a thing. It's fine. I want to see how it feels the collision underneath. What if I have it for the mesh? Is it gonna be smaller? Red like that. Yeah. Okay. We just set the collision enabled to no collision. Set actor hidden in game to true. I'm gonna give it a sequence, or I can do it in the end. Just to get in the vehicle. And then we have something called is driving. If he's not driving, not Boolean. So if it is not driving, do that. And then set his driving to true. Otherwise, I'm gonna copy this part. It's gonna be super easy. Basically, I have to copy all of it. Ooh, I have to copy everything. Great. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time I'm gonna possess the player. We no longer care about this. We're not inside the player anymore, are we? Yeah. So I just want to copy this. I don't care about that. I don't care about this. I don't care about this. Okay. Now we need to go to our vehicle. V keyboard. Paste everything here. I'm gonna create a variable called the driver. It's gonna be a third BP underline third person reference. If this is valid, actually if this is valid, I no longer need to cast. I just say possess this one. And here what we do, we remove the advanced, we add this one, we remove that one. Get the driver, get capsule component. That's what will happen. And then we set its hiddenish to nothing, and then oh, no longer driving, right? And this no collision is going to be collision enabled. And then next we are going to say the driver set actor rotation. Actually, why I don't have an arrow component, huh? I think this one is better. Yeah. I'm gonna delete this one. This is the name of this one is going to be drop off transform. Set actor location. Get transform. This is gonna be it. And then I'm gonna say set actor rotation. I'm gonna split it. So for the rotation, this yaw is going to be set to the yaw of my vehicle. Yes. Let's try. Unfortunately, I have to come up with a new outpost. I'm gonna do it off stream indeed. Oh yeah, I forgot one small thing. That small thing is to go here. After I do this, okay. After I possess, by the way. The moment. After this, I'm gonna say, or I can make it cleaner. Set driver to self. This should work. Oh my god. Get relative transfer. Get component transform. Get world transform. Yeah, this should be like this. Oh my god. The yaw should be yaw. Holy shit. I have to run all the way to there. I believe if I get in 2000 radius, I can get in the vehicle. I can move around, look around, and if I press V, I can get off the car. V again. Okay, we're gonna test the theory by going up there and being like upside down. What do we say? I'm gonna press R here. Oh, but so sorry, V. Holy shit. Oh! This is great. Amazing. That's great. I'm gonna say this is the function for getting off the vehicle, so I'm gonna collapse it into a function. Collapse to function. Drop off the vehicle. And we're gonna see if it is... I'm gonna make sure you can get off. I wanna make sure if when you're getting off the vehicle, you can actually spawn there. So the way to do that is to have, for the vehicle, is to have a little bit of collision box. I'm gonna have a collision box, yes, right here. -150, 75, right? I'm gonna copy the same for my collision box. And maybe this... Okay, great. This drop-off is going to be a part of the collision box. Great. This collision box is going to have something called on component hit or begin overlap. Yeah, this is what I want. On begin overlap, we're gonna say what should I say here? I have something called is overlapping. Gonna be a boolean. I just want to set it to true. I don't even care what we are overlapping with. Yeah. Do we have something called uncomponent end overlap? Uncomponent end overlap, yes. And once that happens, I'm gonna set it to false. And we can only drop off the vehicle if we're not overlapping with anything. So I branch this. It's not overlapping with anything. I'm gonna add a return node in the end just to be professional. Let's try. I can see the little collision box, it's fine. Okay, get in the vehicle. I'm gonna turn off the hover components. This is on, this is off, and I'm gonna turn off the gravity so I can levitate. I do this. I'm gonna press V. I can't get off the car. What about now? I still can't. Okay. It's like we are overlapping with something. Overlap end is not working. Yes, I see this piece of code on component end overlap isn't working. How do I make it work? How do I make this work? So I'm saying is if it is not overlapping with anything, then we can do that. Where's my box? Collision overlap all dynamics. Overlap all. Worth a try, right? Worth a try. Worth a try. I'm gonna Okay, we can't get off the car here. We still can't. Overlap end isn't working for some reason. No. How do I outcome this issue? I can basically rake. Yeah. I know what to do. I just don't need this. Don't need this. This box can go away. Before we do this, I'm gonna do a little raycast. Okay, line trace by channel visibility. This is fine. The start is get actor location is this one. The end is my arrow location. Drop off transform. Get actor get component location. Get world location. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want. And then we do that from here to there. Oh, this is multi-line trace? No. Line trace single by channel. That's what I want. We do this, we do this. And then we split this. I just want to branch this one, you know? Out hits blocking hit. If we don't hit anything, if there was nothing there, then we can spawn. I mean, I know it's a line, but we can try, right? I'm gonna get rid of all of this scene, and we're gonna make a new one, of course. Okay. Here comes the interesting part. This. I'm gonna press V. Oh, actually, I could. Interesting. Still interesting. Oh, I can't get off the car here. I can't get off. Can't get off. Can. I was into the floor. Okay, you know what? We're gonna trace a little bit more before we do that. So I want to say this is the start. Okay, the end is going to be end minus the start. Actually, I have the component get relative location. We get the relative rotation, and then I get rotation from X. No, I don't want to do that. I want to say this plus. Oh, or sorry. Get actor location minus get world location here. This is gonna return me. I just want to normalize this. Or I could just say get relative location and normalize that one, right? I want to try this first. And then I'm gonna say multiply. Oh, there is a problem. So we need two line traces. One this way, one that way. So this wasn't it. Fucking interesting. Interesting. This was okay. Okay, let's say this was false. Now I'm gonna do another one of these right here. This one should also be false. Now the start is going to be get world location. The end of it is going to be get world location, but the Z is gonna be minus. And all of this is happening if the driver is valid, by the way. if the driver isn't valid, we're not stupid to do all of these. So if that's this is minus the driver kit capsule component. And this is gonna be height. Get capsule half height. That's a set. Get capsule half height. Since it's a half height, we multiply it by 2. We connect it here. We split this. We connect it there. And the Z is going to be this one that we calculated. I'm gonna clean this mess a little bit so that it looks good. If it was false, then do all of that. Okay, so we are basically doing 2 line traces. I would like to see the trace. So for the duration, draw debug type for a duration. Persistent. No, for duration. 5 seconds. And the color is like that. Do I have the thickness? No. I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. For the duration, 5 seconds. Trace color is gonna be blue. It's crazy, but let's do it. Wait a sec, guys. Just give me a moment. There's a little bug walking on my monitor, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Where did it go? Hold on a sec. Oh, I didn't catch it. Fuck. Where did it go? This is the weirdest thing in my life. There's a bug on my screen. I was about to catch it, but now it's not there. I don't know if it was a baby cockroach. It wasn't a cockroach. It was a roach. I can't see it anymore. It ran away. I'm not gonna worry about it anymore. Okay, if I press V. Okay, I don't need to multiply it by 2, do I? Yeah, I don't think I need to do that. I just say minus. This was an easy algorithm. Yeah. What if I oh, guess what? I mean, it's weird, right? Let me have these two traces. In the tick function, so I can see what's going on. I don't even care if it is true or false because it's a tick function. So I wanted to do it. I wanted to always do it. And then we are going to rotate the vehicle. Oh, I forgot something. I'm gonna say this is the driver, and here I'm gonna set the driver. Oh, I found it. This little bug is here again. Oh, it's so fast. Oh my god. I still couldn't catch it. What a fast little bug. How? Oh my god. Impossible. This is impossible. So it's calculating like this. Oh, it should be relative to. Actually, you know what? It's kind of fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna see if we are like this. No, it's working fine. Great. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. Compile. This is fine now. Okay, let's see if I can get off the vehicle if I am right here. Oh. I could somehow. Yeah, because we didn't collide with anything, so that's. If you're not colliding this way, and if you're not colliding that way, then I can get off. But otherwise, I'm gonna say do one thing. I'm gonna the thing is we have to, if this one had a collision, okay, actually I want to make it in the end, I'm gonna say plus this is gonna be drop off leg space, something like that. So drop off leg space, it's gonna be a small number, maybe 20. If that hits, oh no. No, not the leg space thingy. Okay, this is okay until here. Then I need to do another raycast. Just like this one, again. These guys should go to the right. Damn, we have a bunch of raycasts. This time, I'm gonna say start is going to be this part. Yeah. Oh, actually it's here, huh? I'm gonna split this. Okay, that's gonna be the beginning. Exactly the same thing is gonna be the end. So same x and y, but the z is going to be minus drop off leg space. That's the end. And if this one is true, then you can do that. And I'm gonna change the color to... You sure we give it leg space? Yeah. This is gonna be purple. So if there is a floor, then we can get off the car. If there is none, then we can't. Let's try. And there is no drop off here. Actually, we don't need this. We get off the car regardless, okay? After we get off the car, I don't need this. We do another trace. Do another trace. This one is going to be, I'm gonna close these, recombine. This is gonna be the driver's location. Driver. Just curious, how long have you been doing this for? I'm a beginner looking into game development. Do you have any tips for those starting off new? Yes, man. Well, I'm a game developer for almost 10 years, if not more. So I'm pretty experienced in this. If you want to start, I suggest watching Udemy tutorials. Yeah, that's the best thing I can suggest. So in Udemy, Udemy always have off. You know, if every week or every 2 weeks, every other week maybe, they have an off where they sell every single tutorial they have, or course they have, for only $10. You can find pretty good ones over there, and you can get into game dev as quickly as possible. It won't take you more than a month to learn how to start making games, but it's gonna take you more if you're gonna make an actual game. You know, it's gonna take you months or years to create a game. But starting it's easy. It's not hard. I have a video where I clone GTA. You can start with that. It's only 2 hours. Get actor location. And I highly suggest you to start with Unreal Engine blueprints. Do not start with Unreal Engine C++ or Unity or something like that. Unity uses C#. Unity is good, but I highly suggest you to start with Unreal Engine blueprints. It's gonna get you going much faster. The end is going to be get actor location, split struct, Z minus. I'm gonna say it's empty underneath. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna close. I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna set this part, the driver, possess, and all these parts. I am going to copy this. I'm gonna go to my third person. I'm gonna create a function for it. Well, this part is gonna be collapsed into a function. Enter car or vehicle. I want another one. Exit vehicle. This exit one is gonna be a bit different. Let's change the music. Music. I have a bunch of things here. I want to listen to these. I want to see what. You're welcome. Exit the vehicle. Okay. Good connection. Possess self. And then add mappings are okay. This is. It's basically this caps lock component. And then set actor hidden in game. Self. This one's better. That one is self again. Drop off transform. Well, this drop-off transform, this is important. We're gonna save the vehicle that we get into, right? So it's gonna be driving vehicle. It's gonna be BP underline advanced hover vehicle system. I'm gonna set it here. That's the target there, that's the target there. And we set it. And whenever we're exiting car, I'm gonna say if it is valid. Is valid. Drop off. Drop off. Get drop off transform. I want to change its name with something better. Get drop off arrow. Yeah, get drop off arrow. Get word location, drop there, and then set the job. Do that as well. Okay. And then here my job is much easier. Just do a line trace this way, a line trace that way. If this was all, we're gonna say the driver exit car, exit vehicle. And this is gonna be try. We don't have Lego space anymore. Try dropping the driver. Okay, we jump here, we do all of these. Now we do one more line trace. I know there are like 3, 4, 5 line traces, but believe me, trust me, it's gonna work. One more line trace. Get actor location and get actor location again, but z minus let's say the z minus like for now something, right? Oh, actually capsule height divided by 2. Divided by capsule height is already, this is already half height, so I don't need to divide it by 2. This is gonna be the z, that's my n. Yeah, we do one like this. I'm gonna branch it. If there was nothing under it, I'm gonna well, of course, before that I'm gonna search for gravity, right? Get gravity scale. Get gravity scale branch. Oh, is less than or equal to, no, or if it was equal to 0, I'm gonna branch the gravity as well. So if the gravity was 0, we do something. If the gravity wasn't 0, we line trace still. And then we're gonna do one thing here, and that is, I remember I had a function, switch flying state. if this was false or the gravity was 0. One of the two. You see what I'm saying? Let's try. And there's gonna be a return for this. There's gonna be a return for this one as well. Oh my god. Trust me, it will work. So if I'm in space and I get off the car, it should automatically go to jetpack mode because there is nothing under my leg, right? So I press V, I can get off the car. I can't get off the car. Why? Why? Wait. Let me see. So the vehicle. We do wonder if this was false and this was false. Sorry, yeah. I forgot this one. Let's play again. I hope this algorithm that we made works perfectly. And that little tiny kiddo roach ran away. I couldn't find it. Okay, getting in, getting out. Oh, I'm already in flying mode. I can see why. Okay, there is one way around it. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna, instead of capsule half height, we're gonna do something crazier. I'm gonna get the vehicle reference, driving vehicle reference. I'm gonna get component. I can simply get one of its component, like get, for example, BP over component something. One of the hover components, which I want to get the first one. Doesn't matter. Just copy the name. I'm gonna say get. Why I? Wait. Get hover component, something like that. I'll get BP hover component, and then it has something called trace length. Get trace. I don't have access to it. Why? Why? Trace length. I can literally see this. Decrease trace length, full stop trace length. Maybe I don't have access to it publicly and it's only a part of the component. You see what I'm saying? So I have to go in the code and make it work. We're gonna say one thing. I'm gonna make it easier then, if that's true. If the gravity scale is not 0, and then I'm going to give it a big number. Before fall damage, let's say, or fall distance from vehicle, something like that. It's gonna be a float. Yeah, instead of me going this much, I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna give it a big number, fairly. Default value, let's make it 100. Isn't enough. I would like to do it maybe 200. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Oh my god. Yeah, 200. If it didn't block anything, switch flying mode. If it did, yeah. This should work flawlessly. Trust me. Getting in the car, getting off the car, but it's still in flying mode. Wait, does it even ever gets not in the flying state? No, why? If gravity is 0, then go into flying state. If not, trace length. Like do a line trace. If you hit something underneath in 200, if you didn't hit anything, switch to flying state and return. But if you did, just return. Do not switch to flying state, or I can say switch to some other state. This is a switch, by the way. If I call it again, it will drop me back to normal walking state, right? If he's flying, that's not what I should do. I should how should I do this? If it is not flying, then set the gravity. We have a switch for it. Interesting. This number doesn't matter, and then if we hit something, we don't do anything. Okay, I'm gonna say if flying, if it's not flying, branch. If it is not flying, then we go to this state. Holy shit. It's getting complicated for me. If it was true, again, we're going to check if it is flying or not. If it was flying, then switch the gravity state and return anyways. Come on, dude, why? Get actor location, the Z minus 200. Okay, draw it for the duration, 5 seconds. I'm gonna make it maybe green. 200 from actor location. You know what? It did hit something. Or maybe it didn't. Maybe it should be even higher. Let's make it 300. Oh my god, I see now. Yeah, but if I like basically be here and get off the car, I should be able to fly somehow. So 300 should be 400, and then we're good to go. This should be like 400 definitely. What if the car is flipped or on its side, or it's on its side? We're gonna test those as well. Oh my god. Oh shit. The camera is locked somehow. I don't know why, but what? Okay, because whenever we are beginning, look, the camera is fine. I have to change something else. Intercar. Interesting. Intercar. Get the driving vehicle. Get camera. Get follow camera, yeah. Set component rotation. Set rotation. Set board rotation 0, 0, 0, 0. You think this works? Set the rotation of that camera to 0, 0, 0. That's weird. So if the vehicle is on its side and we get into it, something weird was happening when it was on its side, to be honest. Get into it, 2R, I want to do it like that. Get off the vehicle. Get in again, oh. Yet the relativeness is on possess, which is really awesome, to be honest. Okay, it's really cool. I can get off the car anytime I want. Wait a second. Oh, the gravity is already 0. Once that happens... Daryl. Hello. Welcome. Everything is okay? I'm trying to make something work as always. Facing bugs and issues. I'm trying to make the player to be able to get off the vehicle, and then if the vehicle is in the space, it should go to some sort of jetpack mode. Otherwise, it should just fall on the ground. That's what I'm trying to do. And then we have an issue with the camera in the vehicle. I'm gonna set the world rotation. So I'm gonna see what's going on here. We didn't need this line of code. There are 2 bugs right now. Which one do I go for first? I go for this one first, okay. Oh my god. Why should you walk outside without shoes, man? Just get some slippers at least. I can't do that. My feet will burn. I tried to walk on asphalt. I couldn't. It was too hot. I mean, especially where I live, it's Oman, so what's the issue? I feel you, man. That happened to me as well. There was once my dog, for some reason, the door was open, and then my dog just ran away. And I remember I ran maybe 2-3 alleys away just to be able to catch my little Jessica. Bro, I was running and I was shouting in the middle of the road. Come back here! Come back here, bitch! Where the fuck are you doing? Come back right now! Apparently she saw a cat, and then yeah. We'll be back with your pizza here. Alright. Let's issue these problems. Oh, thank you very much for the subscribe, Daryl. We're gonna issue the. We're gonna get to the problems one by one. So I'm gonna go to the exit one. We're gonna fix this one first. Getting off the car, going to flight mode or ground or some sort of it. How do I fix this? We shouldn't care about the gravity, probably. Yes, we should not. And then we check if the trace hits something. If it does hit something. Matt Gasparis THC, sorry for butchering your name. Hello brother, do you have any tips for beginners on Unreal 5? Yes. Begin with blueprints. Begin with blueprints and use Unreal Engine Marketplace plugins a lot. There are plenty of free plugins you can use. They will push you 10 times faster than the other game devs who are not utilizing the plugins. What's gonna happen here? How do I fix this problem? Okay, if the character is flying, if the character is not flying, we don't do anything. But if the character, let me think of it. If we hit something and the character is already flying, if we hit something, then don't do anything. Just return. Otherwise, if the character is not flying, just switch to flying mode. Actually, here I would like to say, even if the character is flying, now it should not fly. So if it is flying, then we switch it back to not flying. Yes? It was just like before. Oh my god. So if we hit something and if the character is in flight mode, we make it just don't fly. Otherwise, if the character is not in flight mode, let's go. Let's try again. So far so good. Okay. Oh my god. I fell down. Why did I fall down so fast like that? I don't get it. Maybe I back down somewhere safer and then I try to get off the vehicle here. Okay. Actually, you know what? Now it should go into flying mode, right? Oh, it was hitting my... We have to ignore the vehicle itself, right? Ignore the trace with the vehicle. Can I do such a thing? Actors to ignore. Get all actors of class BP Advanced Hover Vehicle System. BP Advanced Hover Vehicle System. Wait, what? What should go here? Oh, if this is fixed, I'm gonna move on to the camera problem that we have with the video. It's working. It's working great. I can't get off the car. Oh, I see why. I can do it now. Wait a second, what happened? I'm still in the flying mode, even though I'm hitting something under the ground. Okay, what if I do it like this? Now this issue. If we hit something, it means we should be able to get off the car. Oh yeah, otherwise just return. No, that's stupid. We hate something. If you are already flying, don't fly. And return. What does it do? If character is flying is false, if flying is true, set the gravity back on, set it back to walking, the gravity, enable gravity for the cable. Well, I'm Iranian, but I don't live in Iran. I live in Oman. I am not setting the flight mode. This is driving me nuts. Let me think. If it hits something, we check if we are flying. If the character is in flying state, it should no longer be in flying state, and we return. Okay. If we don't hit anything, if the character is not in flying state, we should make it fly and return. Otherwise just return. Interesting. Oman. Let's try. Working perfectly. I'm gonna go here. Works perfectly. Works perfectly. I'm gonna move back down. We will fix the camera. For now, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, this is the problem I have. Even though we hit, it's not working. How do I fix this one? It's hitting. Literally hits something. I need to think about this issue. Let's see. We get the out hit. Let me make it a bit cleaner. Let me think about this part. If it hits something, check if it is flying. Is flying. Okay. If it was flying, it should not fly anymore and return. can even remove the return node. That will be better. If it does not hit anything, if flying is off, then we should fly. I think, you know what, I'm gonna go and do this for the vehicle as well, whenever we are dropping off. So we're gonna do it for this place. I'm gonna do the same for the other one. Try again. Somebody tried to call me. Midnight. Getting off the car, we are flying. It's fine for now. Go back down. Get in the vehicle again. R2. So I go to the flying mode. I do this. I'm flying. Okay, now I'm gonna go back on the ground. Press V. This is not working. This is fucking not working. It's why? 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 We hit something. I'm gonna say print hello, just to be sure. Welcome back. I got the hello thingy, so it's working until here, and the next thing should happen is that if we check if the character movement is flying, returns true if currently flying, moving through a non-fluid volume without resting on the ground. Target is nav movement component. If we are flying, then we should not fly. That's why we switch the flying state. And here we check again if we are flying. Definitely we are. Definitely we already checked over there. So here we checked if the is flying is true. Basically here is true as well. Set enable gravity, false, character movement, the gravity is 1. We set the movement walking. We enable the gravity, cable gravity scale 1. I can't see the issue. Damn it. Go back here. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, we possess the character again. We set its location. It says its rotation as well. Get all actors of class. We ignore that. We do another line trace. If it hits something, if the character is not flying. Do I have like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna collapse these into a function. My third person event graph. No, actually switch flying state. This part is gonna be collapsed into a function called enable flying mode. That's it. This one is gonna be collapse into function enable. This is enable. That's enable flying mode. This is enable walking mode, by the way. Walking mode, enable flying mode. This should do. And this switch is just switching between the two, right? Just flipped. If it is flying, now it should walk. If it is not flying, now it should fly. But whenever we're getting off the vehicle, exit vehicle, here, basically, I don't want these. Basically, if we hit something, then we should switch to. No, we should enable walking mode straight. Otherwise, we should enable flying mode. If this doesn't work, there is a problem inside these two functions. I swear. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. I want to go off the ground. Flying mode. Okay. Now I'm gonna get back on the ground. Okay. This is totally normal. Now it's working. It's working now. Great. Great. Okay. Finally. Now, we're gonna fix the camera issue with the advanced hover vehicle system whenever it gets possessed, right? How am I going to do that? The moment it's being possessed, this camera I should set the rotation. Only the roll of this camera with the same roll as we have for the third person camera. Let's do that. I'm gonna go inside the intercar. Set is it world rotation or relative rotation? We're gonna try both. Get world rotation. Okay. Not this one. This one. Get rotation. Sorry guys. So yeah, only the roll. The yaw. Okay, I'm confused. Everything is as it should be except the roll one. Yeah. Let's try. That's too far away. I'm gonna get closer to the vehicle. Get in, get out, get in, get out, get in. I'm gonna make it like that. Get out. Get in. It's working now. Now I should be able to fly. If I get back in. Oh. It's not working again. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna drive it again. Oh, I see. Oh. It's interesting. What if I connect all of them? Just saying. I know it's gonna be weird. Yeah, it's definitely weird. That's not how it works. I'm gonna do the relative one. Now, let's try the relative. Get relative rotation. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna work around the camera boom. Get camera boom. Get camera boom. Get relative rotation. Get relative rotation. Split. Split. Yeah, as it was before, except the roll one. Let's try this. There might be another way to do this as well. I don't know. No, it's not working. It's not working. How was it before? So the problem is the moment I possess it, set the rotation of I don't understand the why, but something's off. Okay, I'm gonna go to my code. Let's have a look at our look enhanced. So we set the relative location of the look enhanced. For our camera boom. Do you think it's because of the controller difference? Maybe the controllers have like different kind of rotations. No, whenever I enter the car, I'm gonna see if that's a thing. Which project am I in? No, this is the GTA one. Get the fuck out of my eyes. Here. Okay. So basically I'm not using this. Get controller. Is it like rotation? Is it a thing? Sets controller rotation. I don't know. I'm gonna set it to 0, 0 and I'm gonna see what happens. Or maybe I should set it to the player one. Maybe. We'll try. Oh, 0, 0 is over there. Yeah, no, that's not working. So it should be get controller, get rotation. So I'm gonna set the controller rotation of the vehicle same as the controller rotation of this player, third person character. Maybe I should do it before I possess it, but we'll try. Let's say I'm looking that way. Wait, it's 0. It's always 0. Whoa. Engines off. Okay, so getting off the car. Yeah, it's kind of working, but I have to do it. What is this? Access trying. Inter vehicle, third person. Yeah, because there is no controller. Whenever I enter vehicle, I know what to do. Before we possess the car, it's weird. Okay, I fixed this and I'm gonna play the game a little bit. I'm gonna see. I wanna see what's missing. But I have to fix this one first. This is on my nerve right now. This must go away, this bug. Controller rotation for this pawn. And then controller rotation for this one. Set the rotation of that guy with this one. Okay, do we even change the controller rotation? I was thinking of something. No, didn't I close this one? Why is it? Why it's not closed? Just close. Okay. So all I need to do is to open this guy. This is move. This is move up. This is look. So for looking, we set world rotation to get capsule component. No, that's something else. Add controller pitch and yaw. But for the advanced hover vehicle system, we're using relative rotation for the camera boom. We're not using the. Okay, I see. So I'm gonna get the boom rotation. Get, is it relative or is it world? Get world. Let's say get relative rotation. I hope it works. No, it's not working so far. I'm gonna do it the other way. So I'm gonna say get camera boom. Okay. Set relative rotation to controller gets rotation. I hope this one works. It's not working, but I'll try more. Wait. What if I do this? Get back into the car. It's not working. Oh no. there is an error as well. You know why there is an error? Because there is no controller for the... I'm an idiot. Sometimes I am idiot. So entering the car. Before I possess it, I will do that. I don't need these. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get the vehicle. By the way, this can be driving vehicle. So I don't need to drag something from here to there. Get camera. Set relative rotation. Get controller. Get controller. Get rotation. All right, let's see what happens. It's not working. So get controller of the vehicle, maybe set rotation. Before I possess it. Please work. R2. God damn it. It's gonna give me an error. I know, I knew it. How do I fix it? Let me search Google. Maybe there is an answer. New pawn, Unreal Engine. Camera rotation when using possess mode. Hey, just so I can have it better. You are trying to possess a pawn while already possessing another pawn. No. How to fix root motion. How to control rotation and possess. Camera attached to pawn is unable to rotate when switching position between something to something. I have had similar issue, basically unable to have a player character and a player start with the same level that work independently. No, this is not my answer. There is one way to do so. Anyways, so if I connect this back, copy this, I go in the end again, paste it. I set the control rotation to whatever rotation there is already for the vehicle, but I'm gonna split the struct. Get rotation. Get split. We will connect everything except roll. That's gonna be 0 at any point. Why is it giving me an error? Oh yeah, of course. Yep. Yo, it's kind of working. Wait. Get off the car. I get in the car. What the fuck are you talking about? It's working. Ding, ding. Okay. I get off, get in again. Press 3. Get off. Get in again. Press 3. I'm a fucking genius. This is great. It's working. Now we're good, guys. We're good to go. We're good to change. Ooh. Of course, there is a list of things that we need to do, but I'm gonna leave it for the next stream. For now, I'm gonna show you what's done so far before we move away. So basically, we have a bunch of NPCs. These NPCs can have 3 different states: following a path, or doing a random patrol around the map, or just stay and do nothing. There, you are also able to click on these NPCs, and they will face you. They will rotate around, and they will look at you. That's what they do. The player itself, the player itself has a rope, or you can say it's a, maybe we can call it a cable attached to it, but it's invisible. Okay. This rope is supposed to be attached to the vehicle whenever you're in space, so you don't get further away from it and lose your vehicle. Basically, that's the power. I'm gonna show you how the cable works as well. Basically, it will restrain the player to move away from a certain point. So I can attach my cable anywhere right now, and it will not let me to move further away. There is of course collision to it and everything. Maybe I can, but it's only for prototyping that I can move this rope to a different location. Basically, I can hook it anywhere I want, like a Spider-Man. Okay, I can even jump and hook it somewhere. Okay, and try to use it to jump somewhere else. Maybe hook it here. You get what I mean? But that's not gonna end up in the final game. It's only going to be attached to the vehicle. Oh my god, what happened to me? It's only going to be attached to the vehicle, just like that. You see what I'm saying? Just like that. Now, I would like to try something. Wait a second. What if my vehicle is in the air like that, and it is in flying state? I'm gonna make it fly. Properties for the vehicle. Okay, ground, air, gravity. Use gravity. Do not use gravity. Use artificial gravity. And in the behavior, I'm gonna say is hovered. Artificial gravity is on. We're not using the gravity itself. I don't know if it works. Let's play. Yeah, it's working. I'm gonna rope myself to it, and I'm gonna hook this cable to my hover vehicle. I'm gonna jump down, see what happens. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Whoop, 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 whoop. I fell down. I forgot to hook again. Basically, I'm gonna hook and fly this time. we're gonna hook it. I wanna fly. It will not let me to move further away. I will fix the collision on the vehicle, by the way. I shouldn't be able to move away from a certain distance, but I am. Oh, it was a springy. So the rope spring pulled me back. Okay, now I know what's the issue here. I need to make the rope stronger, because right now I can get away from it and it just pulls me back, right? So this is why I have it. You can fly with your vehicle anywhere you want. You can get off the vehicle. Oh! I messed up so badly. Okay, I'm gonna play again. Well, I have everything attached to, like, connected to buttons because the game isn't ready. But anyways, yeah, I can fly anywhere I want. I can get off the vehicle, and then I can rope myself to the vehicle, which should happen automatically whenever you get off the car, and then you shouldn't be able to move away. For example, more than this much. Well, right now this springiness is working. It's actually pulling me in. I can't move further away. Oh, I can. So we're gonna fix that in a second. That's just a number. Yeah, there we go. That's what we have. I can get back in the vehicle and I can just fly. Ooh, did you see that? So there's two things. First of all, that little dot in the middle of the screen remains, and it didn't remove my... Yeah, okay, we have to deattach the rope as well whenever we get in the car, which is easy to do. I have like this task whenever you're exiting the car, or maybe entering the car. Should be here. Whenever you enter the car, in the end, I'm gonna unhook, just like that. After we do everything, we do an unhook. Okay. And then maybe whenever we get off the car, no, I'm not gonna create that functionality just yet. Okay. What I need to do now is to make the hook stronger, which is really easy to do. I just have it as a flying restraint power, which is 20. I'm gonna make it... How much should I make it? What's my flying power? Let's make it something bigger, you know? 50, let's say. We'll try. So I get in the vehicle, I fly away. I can get off the vehicle. I can shoulder swap, yes, of course. I can hook myself. Let's see if the hook is strong enough to hold me. It absolutely is. Maybe it's even too strong. You know, it loses its springiness. Oh, to a certain level. Okay. Can I just push myself away? Because if I hold shift, I can go faster. Let me try. Yeah, it's pulling me in. It's enough. It's okay. It's good. I can de-hook myself if I want to, just like that, and I can hook this place, maybe to the other corner of the vehicle. And yeah, let's get back in the car. The rope is removed, and we can go. That's great. I'm gonna get back on the ground, and I'm gonna see what happens in the outpost. In the outpost. All right, I should be able to get off now, easily. Yes. It's jittering, I know why. We're gonna fix that in a sec. That's no problem as well. I can talk to people. They will face me. Those people over there, they will avoid me. By the way, that woman over there who was trying to talk to me, if I get further away, she will just leave me alone, okay? And these guys, they will try to move around. Can I? Bro, I'm gonna push them down. I'm gonna kill them. Wait. I feel like I can. For a moment it was possible, okay? Wait, I wanna do it again. I wanna try to push someone off the map. These fucking idiots. They are smarter. Alright, it's like I'm trying to kill a mosquito or something. They just go away. Alright. And there are some of them, they just patrol around. Like that fool. She's trying to go in a random location, you know? Oh, she turned back for some reason. Okay. I can also talk to this one. Wait, let me click on her. So if I click on her, she will stand and face me, but if I go away, then she just moves back to its normal state. And this one is not, I cannot talk to this one because this is the same as me. That's another player thing which I need to remove. And yeah, we have an outpost being created in Unreal using a bunch of beautiful assets. But the problem is, the problem that I faced today at the beginning of the stream was that one of the plugins that I'm using for these blocks, basically for everything you see except these bridges, it's not optimized well. It's not supporting nanite. It's performance heavy. It's consuming a lot of energy from my GPU and CPU, of course. So I'm gonna get rid of them. I enabled nanite on all of these meshes just to see if it can help the performance, but the problem was it didn't even support nanite. I'm gonna show you guys the triangles. You see everything is black even though I enabled nanite on them. But this is another piece I have from another plugin. These bridges, they support nanite. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the plugin and we're going to create yet another outpost using a better asset pack probably. Okay, so I've worked on this for a few days because this is the heavy level design. I mean, at least to my power, I did some heavy level design for this shit. We have walkways, we have rooms, we have nice places to go. We have downstairs. We have catwalks. We have basically what is this called? A ship nose, like what you get in Titanic. We have all of these. I spent so much time, except we don't have a platform, right? Well, now I have to remake everything in the scene. But I'm hopeful. There is a bunch of more things we need to do. I'm gonna add. There is a few things that I'm gonna do in the next stream. One of them is adding tasks to the NPCs. So basically, it's like I'm gonna give them a row of tasks. Hey, do this, move here, and do this. Move there, do that. So I'm gonna add them these tasks. Plus, I am going to make the player to be able to actually move and get in the car, get outside the car and stuff like that without just pushing test buttons like pressing V or Q. You know, pressing E should do action at any point. Whenever you press E, you have to be able to get in the car or something, you know. I would like to get in the car using F, but yeah, maybe the E button should be our action button, so I'm gonna fix those as well. As well as I am going to try and find a nice plugin that supports nanite. Maybe I can bring them in the project with better performance. We're gonna put it in. Yeah, so many things to do, but these are the top 3 that I want to do in the project in the next stream, which is tomorrow again, and the same time basically. Okay, I think that's it for me for tonight. Probably I play a little bit of Silica, maybe a round of League. I don't play League of Legends. If I watch, maybe if Critical Role drops the latest stream they had, campaign 3 episode 104, because I saw that they're streaming it, but I didn't have time to watch the stream because I was streaming for you guys. So if I watch that, I will play League. Otherwise, I'll go play Silica, which is an indie game developed by someone. It's an awesome game. Definitely try it out. Anyways, if you like what you see, if you like the stream, if you like the game that I'm making, which the devlogs will come out soon, as soon as I have a nice working prototype, I will create a very beautiful devlog for you. And yes, that's all. So make sure you like and subscribe. If you're happy around, I have a Discord channel. You can join us and we can chill together. Until tomorrow, for now, I wish you all